Welcome back to My Big Fat Mess. I'm Anthony Ferraro, and today it's Christmas in July. And where are we? We are in sunny South Australia in Renmark on the Murray-Darling Basin, and we're having fun with cousin Sandy and cousin Bill. So you can never actually go to any family functions and have some sort of cooking skill and not get roped into cooking. Let's rip in. We're going to start carving the pork. Let's have a bit of fun. How long have you had this amazing little beauty going? 8:30 this morning. Yep. Oh, it's exciting. Up we go, Shane. Top. So we've got some, Bill, what have we got in this? How did you marinate it? Because I wasn't here for that amazingness.
Yeah, all it has is a bit of good old oregano,
yes,
salt and pepper, and a bit of garlic.
How good's that?
That sounds amazing.
3 cheeky little ingredients that'll make you a rock star. Doesn't matter where you come from. So Bill, tell us a little bit about the farm, because you've been here for a while and you've got an amazing little orchard going. What's behind those amazing little nets? We're going to go for a bit of a walk later on.
Okay. So yeah, I pretty much grew up on this property here.
Yes.
My parents bought the property when I was about 7 years old.
Yeah, wow.
So yeah, the last 5 years we put up some environmental netting.
Yes.
So yeah, more than happy to go for a walk later.
Oh wow, that's warm.
You can
Where we come from, we literally just start shredding everything off and putting it onto the plate. We kind of take the skin off, put the skin on one side, and then everyone can kind of take a bit of skin, a bit of meat. Now, every Italian chef needs an Uncle Barry. Isn't that right, Baz?
Absolutely.
Now, later on, you are going to teach me how to make mulled wine.
Well, I'll show you anyway.
No, you're going to teach me, because
I think you're beyond teaching, but that's okay. That's hot.
I don't know if that's a compliment or an insult, but either way, when you look like Baz, doesn't matter. It comes across as sexy and gorgeous all the time.
I need scissors.
All right. So after you after you take all the crackling off, you're going to be left with a beautiful layer of rendered fat. Some people like it, some people don't. Keep it, don't. However, if you want it off while it's warm, really simple. Just do it with your knife. Run it gently. That's how you know this has had the right amount of cook. That's how you know that fat has been rendered off really gently. It's penetrated through the meat. It's flavoured everything. This is going to be rock your socks off. Bill?
Well done, Chef Bill, eh?
Bill, you've nailed it. You've absolutely nailed it.
Once in every 5 years, done well.
So, in my opinion, this is the money muscle right here. The cheek. Absolutely amazing. Connor, this is really hot, dude.
Was it?
Yeah, really, really hot.
Can I use one of this?
Please do. Take some to your dad. Tell him he gets nothing else. So, if you play your cards right, and you do it right, that's pretty much all that should be left. And in saying that, there's probably still a little bit here that I'm going to tuck into a bit later on. But Shane, what do you reckon? I think we did a good job. Got to keep the ribs for a bit later on. You can eat them the way they are, throw some barbecue sauce on them, throw them on the hot plate, throw them in the camp oven. Just don't throw them away because they're amazing. And that's how you do it. Christmas in July, Dowling style.
A mulled wine basically consists of, the main base is red wine, not real cheap nasty, just a good honest wine, a good glug of muscat,
Ooh.
a little bit of brandy, some very special elementals.
Some elementals. Now they look like mushrooms. They're not
They are
magic
not
mushrooms.
They are actually from a German forest.
Ooh. Now are these roots and bark and?
It's all sorts of good things, which I don't honestly know what's in it.
That's all right. That's still good. It's drinkable. Because my rules are, if you don't drink it, you don't cook with it.
Basically, that's right.
I like it.
So then
So this is still a hearty red.
yeah, good honest cab sav this one, I think, yeah.
Yes.
A very honest vintage, 2021.
Brilliant.
So
So you're going to use the whole lot?
certainly am.
Do you want me to do anything?
Yeah, you can actually enter that in there while I go and get.
Now, Barry, are we cooking this on a slow heat or a high heat?
Reasonably slow. It's not allowed to actually boil.
Okay. Does it need to be constantly stirred?
Not constantly, but regularly. Just annoyed a little bit.
Yes.
Here we have a rather tasty Renmark Tawny Premium Port.
Ooh.
It is actually the basis of my special port that I've passed on to my son.
Ooh.
He is now the holder of the port barrel. So this is the basis of it.
Okay, so this is 2 litres of a really good quality tawny. There was 2 litres of a hardy bulking wine, and there was 750 of a rather special red wine. What do you got there? That looks like something fortified.
This is a honey mead, sweet honey mead.
Oh, yes.
One of the main, well, not main ingredients, but a good ingredient is a bit of honey in it. This is an essential ingredient.
So that's fresh lemon zest.
Lemon zest.
How much is that, you reckon?
Zest of 2 lemons.
All right.
But this is slightly, once again, breaking from the actual recipe.
Yes.
This is the zest of 2 lemonades.
If you can't get your hands on a lemonade, get your hands on a lemon. And I'm going to ask him, but I'm going to say you could probably zest a lemon and a lime together and throw it in. But he'll probably say no. He's very traditional and stubborn. He's definitely my uncle.
So what's going on here?
Yes.
I hear you
Can
screaming.
you zest a lemon and a lime together if you can't get a lemonade, or no?
No, just use lemon normally. I'm
See?
just
Told
sort
you.
of gone out of off tradition because I happen to have a lemonade tree and I didn't have any lemons.
But hey, this is what we're doing. So we need some slices.
Yeah, we need, probably we'll lash out and put 2 slices plus that butt end.
I like it. So that is from Bill and Sandy's tree. That is a fantastic specimen of a blood orange. All right, he's done it. He's gone big and little butt. Everything is in there. The whole orange. So what do we do now? Does it get a stir?
Just refer back to that
little
secret recipe I gave
secret recipe that's here. I've got it in my pocket, Barry.
You can never actually reveal that on your site.
No, we won't.
So, but you're welcome to give it to people particularly. So now we bring it slowly to the boil.
Yes.
And what's the very last sentence?
Bring slowly to the boil. Don't let it fizz.
Fizz.
Oh, wow-wee, wow-wee. And that's it.
That's it.
Lid on or off?
Now, I think we should lid on briefly.
Yes.
And as soon as we start to see a bit of steam rising,
We don't let it fizz.
we'll lid off and we'll give it another mash
How long do we cook that for?
till it's ready. You know that time frame?
Look, I know that time frame. I need to give them something.
Unfortunately, well, you just cook it, you bring it slowly, simmer it till it comes to the boil.
Yes.
So do not let it boil. Once it boils, just turn the simmer right down and just let it go for a little bit longer.
Yeah. We're looking at mulled wine in 30 minutes, thanks to Uncle Barry, with a special secret recipe that cannot ever be revealed other than what you've just seen. And it's so secret and like steeped in mystery that it's that small. It's literally that small. I'm not lying. You can see, that's all you can see. I can't show you anything else because he's got a knife and we love it. So Barry, we're there.
We are there.
Are we there yet?
We are definitely
there.
We did not let it fizz. It got just to the fizzing stage and we shut it down.
Wow.
And now we need to drink it while it's warm.
Yes. You know what? How about we have ours
Okay.
and we worry about everyone else later.
Okay, sounds good. Just be careful, it is hot.
Yeah, I mean you can see how hot that is.
Yeah.
Cheers, Barry. Oh wow. That's got a kick, Barry. Holy hell.
And there's no brandy in this one. Imagine what it'd be like with some brandy.
That'd have more of a kick. That's actually really good. That's really, really good. Do yourselves a favor, make Uncle Barry's mulled wine. Bottle it up, take it home, enjoy it. Enjoy it with your family. Enjoy it with someone that you love. Just enjoy it. Cheers.
helps and brought things along to make this a fantastic day. Here's to us and Iris.
To Iris.
Most particularly us.
So in our family, we take things very seriously. We do not do anything by halves. And that is going on the fire. That's right, it is July. It is bloody cold in South Australia. How do you keep warm? You make a bonfire. So we've got the beginning stages, the crux, the embers. Everything is there on, it's lighting, it's going, it's doing its thing. And these bad boys are gonna come much, much later on. As soon as the sun goes down, and the barometer drops and you get that little bit of chill, we're going to start and we're going to party well into the night, celebrating an amazing tradition that we like to keep open and going every 2 years. So with Sandy and Bill from Autumn Fruits, but also cousin Sandy and cousin Bill, this is your farm.
Yes.
And when we drove in, we saw this amazing netting and we got really excited because we know how much pride you guys have in what you do. Can you let us in a little bit on what Autumn Fruits does, what have you got here and what's so special?
But I think what's special is this enables us to create an environment where our trees are really happy. They don't use as much water, they yield better, and
Yeah,
they're
wow.
just happier.
Yeah,
It's
nice.
Like as Sinead says, it's like when you're in there you feel like an avatar, like it's a happy
Yes. Can we take a sneak peek?
Go in.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
So these are some of our quinces. So we grow quinces
Yes.
and persimmons and jujubes.
Okay, quinces I know, persimmons I know.
Yep.
I was chatting to Bill before and they're locusts and I know what they are.
Yep.
I don't know what jujubes are.
Jujubes, when Bill, oh here he is.
I'm here. I'm present.
Jujubes are a fruit that comes from China.
Yes?
It's one of the 7 superfoods.
Oh wow.
In
So
the
like a
world.
goji berry or?
Yeah, it's one of the 7 registered superfoods.
Yeah,
It's
wow.
like a little apple.
Ooh.
It's extremely good for you, extremely high in vitamin C, and Chinese think you need to eat 3 jujubes a day. Like we think you have to eat an apple a day.
So is it, you eat them fresh or are they dried? Are they pickled, preserved?
We market them fresh,
Yes.
but they're mainly known for dry.
Oh. So how long has Autumn Fruits been going?
Well,
Buon Fruits. Well,
Bill's been here since he was a child, but Autumn Fruits we started together about 8 years ago, the brand. Domestically,
wow.
that's our domestic brand, and we have an export brand, which is a bit different. So,
Oh, can we talk about the export brand? What is that?
why fresh?
why fresh?
Awesome. You've heard it first.
Why eat fresh? 'Cause
Why
it's
eat
good
fresh?
for
Because
you.
it's good for you. Because what goes in here makes you big and strong.
That's it.
Well, thank you for letting us in. I see you guys have already started with your drink. I'm a bit dry, so I need to go and grab
Yeah,
one.
Let's do that.
All right, let's get back. Let's enjoy the party.
Thank you.
good.
Thank you tonight,
you.
guys. Can't be Christmas without Santa.
I'd like to support
So the sun has officially set in South Australia, here in Renmark, and it's absolutely beautiful. And what better way to finish the night? We've got a roaring bonfire, plenty of fuel still to go on that. We're going to be here for a while to come. Half of that mulled wine, I don't know if you can see it, is just sitting down there, still keeping warm. We've got about a third left over. We've got the team on the barbecue finishing off some sausages and that for the kids, and we're going to rip into some mulled wine, red wine, and you never know, maybe a cheeky little port as well. So from our family to yours, happy Christmas in July. Thank you for coming on this amazing journey, and just enjoy yourselves. That's what it's all about, right? So we are going to have a wonderful night, and as Porky Pig said, yibbida yibbida. That's all, folks. Happy Christmas in July. Love each other. Stay safe. Bye.